right, today we're going to talk about how to get lifetime income or paychecks for life. Isn't that a great discussion? It's all about annuities. I'm Julie Kranitz. I'm a certified financial planner. I have a Bachelor of Commerce from McGill University, and I'm president at Wealth Maximization Group. For the best information on finance, retirement planning, building and protecting your wealth, and all of these things to maximize your wealth and accomplish your goals, keep watching. Today we're looking at what is an annuity. Well, an annuity is basically building your own pension plan if you don't have one. You could actually get income for life, so you base it on your sex and your age. So basically, if you're a male, you're going to get a little more money than a female because females tend to live a little bit longer. You can also get a joint annuity, which means if you and your spouse want the money to last as long as one of you are alive, that annuity would be considered a joint. And most people are surprised to hear that they can buy a joint annuity based on money in one person's RSP or RIF. So what does annuity do? It gives you peace of mind to know that you're going to get income for as long as you live. And if you look at how much it pays, it actually pays a little bit more than you can get with the safe withdrawal rate of 2.2 to 3%. If you watch our sequence of return video, you can hear more about that. But the other thing you want to look at is on an annuity, you can have a guarantee period. Now, like I said, the annuity is going to pay as long as you live, so why do you need a guarantee period? Well, the guarantee period affects your estate, because if I set up an annuity with no guarantee, I will get more money for as long as I live, but the minute I die, nothing goes to my estate. So you can get a guarantee period for anywhere from 5, 10, 20 years, for example, whereby your estate will get all the money back that you haven't spent in your lifetime. However, it's important to note the higher the guarantee period, the less you are going to get as a payout. So why is an annuity good? Well, it's great for an individual or for someone who needs some extra money that is guaranteed and they don't want to have to worry about market risk. And when you talk about it, we talked about you could have it in an RSP. An RSP, a male is getting about 6%. So on $100,000, they would get a payout of about $6,000 a year. And that's based on rates that we did in October 15th, 2019. But where it's really interesting is also, I remember I said the women get a little less, but what's really interesting is if you have it on non-registered money, the taxes that you're going to pay are very minimal. So if you look at the rate for a 65-year-old male, he's got $5,969 a year that he's getting paid out. But of that full almost $6,000, only $846 of it is taxable. And on a female, it would be a little bit different. But the idea is if you got that from, say, bond interest, the full amount would be taxable. Or from GIC, of course, you're going to get a much lower rate on a GIC and the full amount would be taxable at your tax bracket. So you actually save a lot of money in taxes. So here's the thing. Do you have a pension? Have you ever considered an annuity? If you could comment below, we'd love to hear if you've ever considered an annuity. So let's get back into a couple of points. Well, if you watched our 4% rule, that's now 2.2 to 3%. Well, an annuity is great because if you're getting more like 6% with no risk of market risk, it really does combat the sequence of return problem. And a lot of people like to use it when they figure out, well, my fixed costs are X amount of dollars. How much would I like to get that I am absolutely guaranteed to get every month and every year so that I know my fixed costs are covered? So that's what people will often use an annuity for, and they'll top up if they have a guaranteed pension and maybe they're not getting quite enough. They will top up using an annuity, or especially for people who have no pension at all, having an annuity can give you a lot of peace of mind. The other thing to think about is if you had permanent life insurance, you could choose an annuity with no guarantee period if that's something that interests you. So you could get the most income guaranteed with no market risk without having to worry about having a guarantee that will go to your legacy or your spouse or your kids or whoever, because you've got the life insurance to back that up. So if you'd like to see how an annuity will work for you, you can definitely ask us. You can look at the link below this video to find out how you could become a client. Please, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that little bell so you'll be notified of all our future videos. I'm Julie Kranitz. I'm showing you how to maximize your wealth to maximize your life.